Push down to go backwards.
Oh, push down.
Push
Okay.
down. Silly mommy.
Okay. Whoa, whoa. There it goes. Okay, stop.
Stop.
Okay, now put it in this way. Pull it up. Okay, you got it? Okay.
Turn the wheel.
Uh-oh.
Turn the wheel.
I'll get you. You ready?
What do you think of that? Huh? Wow.
Come on, turn this way. Turn towards mommy.
Turn toward mommy. There you go.
There you go. Daddy, you want me to hold him so you can...
Yeah.
Austin's like, maybe Austin wants to go for a ride with you.
You can.
Okay, Austin, come in. Buckle him up. Buckle up, Austin. Okay, close the door.
Hi, bud.
Let's go.
You going for a ride?
So watch where you're going. You don't want to ride. Turn towards Papa. Turn towards Papa. There you go.
What do you
See
think,
his eyes?
buddy?
I don't even know.
Not really. Hi, buddy.
Okay, we better
You going
back
for
it
a
up
ride?
again. Going up here.
Gotta go backwards.
Okay. Yeah, he's kind of in shock.
Okay.
No, he's like there.
He
Smiling.
was smiling.
There you
It's
go.
not hurting him.
You got it? Is it backwards? Okay.
Careful.
Nope, you didn't get it. Push it
Push it
down.
down. Push it down. Push it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now you got it.
Easy. Hold it.
Reeling.
Okay, pull up the door.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, go. There you go. Oh, man. Set it straight. What do you think?
Watch where you're going. Watch Papa.
Wow.
I think Austin likes it. He's squealing a little bit.
Oh, you turned the radio on.
Yeah,
Turn
you
it on.
like it.
Push it back.
Watch where we're going. Don't be. That's how wrecks happen, playing with the radio while you're driving.
Good thing she didn't have to start being her Princess Phone out here, then, huh?
Yep.
Okay, let's take Austin out. I think he's ready for a
What do you
break.
think? Are you done? You're
No.
not.
Here.
His
Ready?
nose is getting
All right, ready to go.
Alright, I'm gonna take the baby in. Get his nose
No,
not
we're
ready.
not going backwards.
Why don't we take it to the
You
garage?
want to turn the radio on?
Where it could be warm so we can all be there. Because I can't. His nose is all red.
Just press it once. Just press it once.
Alyssa, what are you telling me?
Turn it on. Here, it's on. It
You're
was.
welcome. Okay.
I think she turned it off.
As a board member of the investors group. Free to call the Don't forget about their
Does it matter if she takes that key out? It won't come clear out. I think there's a hook on it, I believe.
Where are we going?
Turn the wheels. You gotta turn the wheel.
You gotta drive it.
You drive like Grammy.
Okay. There you go.
You wanna go down there? We'll go around?
Go around.
You go around? Go that way. Come on. Oh, Papa, go get him.
Okay.
Wow. Come around and go up the sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Go that way.
Ready?
She could go, when we go to the garage, she can drive around that way. I'll
Okay.
take her right now.
Okay.
You turn, press the gas. Ready, set, go.
Bump, 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 bump,
It'll go on the sidewalk.
bump.
Keep it on the road. Where's the gas?
Push the gas.
Where's the gas?